A market crash so massive, it wiped out over 2 trillion naira in just 4 days. This is Nigeria News Update today. Coming up, you'll discover the exact numbers behind this financial earthquake, why the central bank's move triggered a panic, and which single stock lost nearly 10% in a single session. This isn't just a market correction, it's a wealth destruction event on a staggering scale. Meet the Nigerian investor. For months, riding a historic bull run with year-to-date returns soaring above 23%. Then, in 1 week, everything changed. From Tuesday to Friday, the market turned into a sea of red, erasing gains built over weeks. But here's the twist. This collapse happened even as more stocks actually gained than lost on the final day. So what's really going on? The journey to this point was a slow-motion avalanche. It started with sustained profit-taking. After a massive rally, big investors began cashing out, creating selling pressure. Then came the inciting incident, a surprise interest rate cut by the Central Bank of Nigeria. A 50 basis point reduction to 26.5%. In theory, lower rates should boost stocks, but here's what nobody's talking about. The market interpreted this as a sign of underlying economic weakness, sparking a fear-driven sell-off. And then, something shocking happened. The losses weren't just big, they were colossal and consecutive. Tuesday, 1.141 trillion naira vanished. Wednesday, another 74 billion gone. Thursday, a devastating 515 billion naira loss. Friday, the final blow of 475 billion. 4 days, 2.205 trillion naira erased from market capitalization. That's the equivalent of the entire economy of a small nation, gone in less than a week. Here's the part that will blow your mind. On that final Friday, the market breadth was actually positive. 39 gainers against 25 losers. So how did the overall index still crash? The answer lies in the heavyweight stocks. The giants like Dangote Cement found themselves on the losers chart, dragging the entire market down with their sheer size. Meanwhile, smaller stocks like Sovereign Trust Insurance surged by nearly 10%. It was a tale of two markets happening simultaneously. The implications are massive and controversial. For the average Nigerian, this isn't just numbers on a screen. This is pension funds, this is savings, this is future investment drying up. Trading activity weakened by over 5%. Volume dropped, value traded fell. Some analysts say this is a healthy correction after an overheated rally. Others warn it's a signal of deeper economic troubles, especially with the naira also recording massive weekly depreciation against the dollar. The tension is clear. Is this a buying opportunity or the start of a prolonged bear market? But if the fundamentals are still strong, why did 2 trillion naira just disappear? We started with a 2 trillion naira question. Now you've seen the dramatic 4-day collapse, the central bank's controversial rate cut, and the bizarre split between giant losers and small gainers. The market is sending a mixed signal, and billions are on the line. Do you think this is a temporary dip or the beginning of a major crash? Drop your analysis in the comments. Subscribe to Nigeria News Update today for the financial insights that matter.